I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody.
Only, what do you call this? Pond. Oh, it's cool. You're almost 1/4. Not 1/4. It's like a rower. Yeah. Wow. That's how it is now. And we have a huge dump truck in front. It's gonna put everything in there. So he started, I think, an hour ago. So let's go. Let's put the trash out. I'm gonna go with you. So look how far we need to walk just to put the trash out. Oh, good Lord. Look at all the wildflowers. See that? So cool. There's a deer behind our truck. Hey, don't run away. Hello. That's my friend. Look at the deer. I don't have food, so sorry. Oh. Oh, they're coming. Is it a truck? I know. Oh yeah, I think. Apex. I think it's turning. I don't know where they are. I didn't see. Hello. Look at him. Her, I mean. I'll stay here. So this is the shortcut, huh? And that's Bebo. So he did a shortcut. That's our trash over there. And look at her. I don't have bread. Oh, you're gonna walk straight? I thought you're gonna come here. I thought they're gonna come here. They just stopped in the middle and then went straight. They're there. Bebo almost missed it. I said it's getting hot now again. There's not much to pick up yet. I'll pick it up later, baby. Just gonna throw it over here. We have a huge dumpster. Oops. There you go. There you go. Ooh, sirot. Dang! I'll pick it up later. And I need to pick up those. And that didn't shoot in the dumpster. Oh, that's so
He's
cool.
real hungry right now.
Oh, that's why.
That's why he's
I thought like
sleeping.
there's cats. Sounds like a cat. Oh, that's update. Oh, look at that. Almost done. Halfway. That's only the half of the roof. So that was cool. I think he started at 12 p.m. and it's now 4. And now I need to pick up those shits. So ciao. Yeah, finally it is over. Slowly, Poopo. I don't want to do this anymore. Ciao. Look at that. It's raining somewhere in the poo-poos and the choo-choos. That's our mess. was there. And good morning, guys. Second day. This is the second day, right? So Bebo finished the gutter, cleaning the gutter. And look at the mess. Ta-da! And those are the things I need to throw again to dumpster. And that's how it looks like for today. And this is my dumpster. This is where I'm gonna go. Push that cart again. I don't know what you call it. And that's our huge dumpster over there. See that? So this is second day. We'll see how long he's gonna finish the roofing. He's gonna do it by himself because it's a lot cheaper. He got a bid on the roofs for $15,000 and he only spent $3,000 for all the things, the roofings, whatever he needs to change the shingles. So he saved a lot of money. And it looks like it's raining over there. Ooh, see the dark clouds. And look at the aspen trees. It's getting lighter and there's some yellows. Fall is coming. And that's the roof. Ta-da! So, let's do this. Ciao. Oh shit! I see lightning. I get scared. We're finished. I know we're finished. This is, yeah, you're right. This is faster, no? And I see lightning somewhere in there. Jesus, that was scary. Oh, right. Jeez. Okay, we're done for today. Bebo's done for today. It's just moving all the shingles in front. And his back is aching already. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Oh my gosh. Look at my jacket, it's so dirty now. Look at our view. There's lots of deers today. That's our view. And that's my Bebo over there on the top. And the sun. It's only 6 here. So this is the second day. And he's gonna rest tomorrow. I'm gonna sit here. Yeah, that was so cool. It's still falling. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's eyes. Dang. Oh? Maybe you can put it in the... I know, see that? Jeez. Oh my gosh, look, until there.